Bakwethu namhlanje sikhamba nobaba uLisisha Dikgale. The most working mayor eThembisile Hane municipality.
Not the most working mayor. Kongibalele mbili nrathu into azenzileko so far.
Yo, okay, number 1.
Kungidlalele sona.
Istadium Solomon Mahlangu silungile.
Yes.
eBhokonodugu kune pavement.
Oh,
Iskontiri sakhona silungile.
Okay.
You know?
Yes.
TS Galaxy yokudlala 5 games lapha ze-PSL.
Ayiwo 5 games TS Galaxy.
Ze-PSL.
That means sokubereka.
Uyangithola?
Imali ngemgodleni.
Ama-businesses wakwaNdebele, they are booming.
Exactly.
I saw them doing something there.
Yes.
So R573 iyalungiswa nje.
Yes.
Iyakhambeka ivulekile indlela ziyakhanya.
Exactly.
Uyakuthola? So umasipala it's working.
Ngibonile noma siza namhlanje indlela le ye Sheldon Road iyalungiswa nayo.
You understand?
Ama-pothole ayavalwa.
Indlela zangaphakathi ziyalungiswa.
Nendlela le beyimbi khulu le angazi ngengiphi sempumelelweni or kukuphi lapha.
Yes.
Iyalungiswa. Yo. Kathi angalungisa nale yayithu le ayifake ne pavement.